Welcome to today's current affairs class. The first question is, a species named Cattopuvum cornella was discovered in the western. Cattopuvum cornella is species of tree. Is your answer. Second question, where was the 19th session of the United Nations Forum on Forest held? Your answer is New York. Third question, Tim Anderson announced his retirement from the Test match. Tim Anderson is a player of which country? Your answer is England. Fourth question is, the popular Vibrant Village program is being run on the border of India and which country? Your answer is China. Fifth question, who has been appointed as the chairman of the Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative Limited? Your answer is Dilip Sanghani. Sixth question, Kami Rita Sherpa conquered Mount Everest for the 29th time. Kami Rita Sherpa belongs to which community? Your answer is Nepal. The 77th Cannes Film Festival is being held in which country? Your answer is France. Ninth question, famous Punjabi literature Surjit Patel passed away. In which year was he awarded Padma Shri? Your answer is 2012. 10th question, where was the fourth meeting of Asian-India Trade in Goods Agreement Committee held? Your answer is Malaysia. Let's come to the Tripura and Northeast. First question, Rashisha Nongrang has been appointed as the first woman Director General of which state? Your answer is Meghalaya. Second question, which one is the first state in India to arrange online assessment survey for students of class 3? Your answer is Tripura. For the PDF of daily current affairs, join our Telegram channel. And for more such videos of daily current affairs, you people can subscribe our YouTube channel.